When an image looks soft or tiny, it can feel like there is no way to fix it. You might zoom in and see blurry edges, and it becomes hard to use that picture in a design or a thumbnail. This is where Affinity Free gives you a helpful tool that can lift the quality with only few steps. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to take low resolution image and turn it into something sharper and clearer. Start by moving into the proper workspace. Look toward to the top of your screen and switch your studio from Pixel to the Canva AI Studio. This is a pro feature that is accessible only for people who have a paid Canva plan. That workspace unlocks the tools you need for this process. It stays hidden unless your Affinity setup includes the Canva AI functions. So, checking this step saves you confusion later. Before moving ahead, open your Affinity settings under the Edit section for a moment. Look on the left side for the Machine Learning Model section. Inside that section, look for the model named Super Resolution. That model may need installation the first time you use it. When it's installed, close the settings window and return to your canvas. This step matters because the upscale feature depends on that model. Without it, the tool will not perform well and your image will stay exactly the same. Click on the image you want to improve. When the image becomes active, look for the super resolution tool that is now in the left toolbar. The moment you select it, the AI begins to process the picture. The preview may take a little time, especially with larger files. While it works, stay patient. The model compares patterns inside your picture and builds new details where your original pixels were too soft. Soon, a split view appears. One side shows your old image, and the other side reveals the improved version. A slider sits between the two sides, so you can drag it and watch the change right under your mouse. This view helps you see small differences in edges, textures, and fine details. When the edges become clearer and the colors appear slightly more defined, you know the upscale model has done its job. Inside the Super Resolve box on the right side, you can adjust the way the preview shows up. You can use a full view to see only the improved version. You can return to slider view if you want to compare each part of the picture. You can also use a mirror section that shows the before and after in two linked windows. Many people like the slider because it makes the upgrade easier to judge. Choosing the preview that feels comfortable helps you make better decisions during this step. When the quality looks right, confirm the change with the apply button. After that, switch back to the Pixel Studio mode. Your image now holds sharper lines, cleaner textures, and a higher resolution than before. Now you have a reliable way to take a low quality picture and bring new life into it inside Affinity Free. This gives you more freedom when you work on thumbnails, posters, or any designs that need clearer images.